Bond, my name is Fields. I'm from the consulate.
Well, of course you are. What do you do at the consulate, Fields?
That's not important. My orders are to turn you around and put you on the first plane back to London.
Those orders include my friend Mattis.
I'm sorry, I don't know who you are.
You see that? Gone such a short time, already forgotten.
You're just saying that to hurt me.
Mr. Bond, these orders come from the highest possible authority.
Taxi? Fields? When is the next flight to London?
Tomorrow morning.
Well, then we have all night.
If you attempt to flee, I will arrest you, drop you off in jail, and take you to the plane in chains. Understand?
Perfectly. After you.
I think she has handcuffs.
I do hope so.
He blames the water shortage on global warming. Hello, Carlos. Carlos, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo te va? The colonel, who heads the national police.
Soy Matis. Matis. Te llamaría, pero tuviese dinero. Cállate. Sí, estoy aquí. Ay, cállate un momentito. Carlos, un momentito.
We have a reservation.
Hola.
Hola.
¿Cómo está?
Very well, thank you.
Name?
Miss Fields.
Bueno.
You're going nowhere.
So shoot me. I'd rather stay in a morgue.
We are teachers on sabbatical. This fits our cover.
No, it doesn't. Get in. Get in.
Cállate. Cállate. Cállate, por favor. Stai zitto.
Hola. Somos maestros en año sabático. Y nos ganamos la lotería.
Felicidades, señor. ¿Les puedo ayudar en algo?
Follow me, please. May I show you your room, senor?
No, it's fine, thank you.
Gracias, senor.
I can't find the stationery.